Good morning, Kentucky meteorologist Dillon Gaudet here. Let's look at your weather alerts. We do have a flood watch in effect for a large section of the ABC 36 viewing area. This is the southern half of our viewing area included within this flood watch. It went into effect last night and lasts through early Friday morning through 1 a.m. for south central Kentucky, southeast Kentucky. That's through 6 a.m. and we've already seen upwards of 3/4 of an inch fall in Madison County already this morning, and it's not just our heavy rain threat, but we also have a severe risk as well. Level 3 risk for a large section of the viewing area as well. That is due to damaging wind gusts as our primary severe weather threat, but we could also see some rotation within some of these storms. I think the hail risk is low. You could see some very isolated hail, but the large hail I think is going to miss us. That's going to stay off towards the south and the west. Max HG radar right now showing a lot of heavy rain. Let's take a look across the region. North of Lexington as you head up towards the Cynthiana area. Also Scott County seeing some heavy rainfall. So if you're traveling north along I-75, you're likely to run into a lot of that rain. Bourbon County also some moderate to heavy rain as well. Take a trip down to the Lake Cumberland region. There near Monticello seeing some rain. Also Pulaski County, you're seeing that moderate to heavy rain, but notice the lightning showing up as well, so that might be waking you up this morning. If you set this in motion, we're also tracking another bit of the heavier rain near the Campbellsville area. That's going to be moving eastward. So Casey County, you haven't seen a whole lot of heavy rain so far. Lincoln County up towards Boyle, Mercer counties, you're getting ready to see some of those storms moving in near you. Also another batch of some heavier rainfall right between Louisville and E-Town right along I-65. Large shield of the rain from this first round of the precipitation for your day. Today, we will be tracking another round as the cold front moves eastward. That'll be firing up some more storms later on today. We've got a whole lot of warmth to work with. 61 right now in Lexington, 64 Nashville, 68 in Jonesboro, northeast Arkansas. But see that large temperature gradient. It's 33 in Springfield, Illinois, 38 in St. Louis. So there's a lot of colder air just to our north and our west. And as you look at those temperatures right now locally, 61 Lexington, 60 Frankfort, 57 for our friends in Moorhead. So everyone dealing with another very mild start to the day. Now, this first round is going to continue to move through the region, may pick back up into central Kentucky during your late morning hours. Again, the models haven't had a great grasp on exactly when we'll see a break, or if we'll even see a break at all. If we see less of a break during your late morning, early afternoon, that will diminish our severe weather threat, but it will also likely increase the potential for some isolated flash flooding. So it really a mixed bag there on the way, but still expecting some stronger storms to develop into central Kentucky later on this afternoon. Futurecast still shows that threat developing. Notice that looks like a supercell that Futurecast is trying to depict right there into central Kentucky. That threat will move eastward as the cold front moves eastward as well. And eventually tonight we'll switch over to some light snow showers, and that'll be in place by tomorrow morning. Here's a look at your severe weather risk levels. Damaging wind gusts remain our top threat, but flooding, rain, and tornadoes could also be isolated. Tornadoes could also be possible. That main spin up threat will be into central Kentucky, but also heavy rainfall in store. Could see upwards of 2 to 3 inches possible. So if you live in a low-lying flood-prone area, stay weather aware today. For sure, remember, turn around, don't drown. 68 degrees today with those rain and storms tonight. We switch from rain to some flakes late and into your early Friday morning.
Wow.
Gaudet remains Sunday, though, so we will be drying it out for the weekend, which is some good news. And a little bit of a brief cool down as well Friday and early Saturday.
Yeah, but stay with us until 7, and then you can join us at 9 a.m. and noon as well. Dylan will continue tracking those storms for us.